I'm Becca with Zilla Corporation, a premier racking and mounting company, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit more about our flashing line. Here we have our zit flashing. This is made for a single bolt application straight into your rafters. Here we have our double stud flashing. This is made for a 2 lag bolt penetration directly into the rafters. If you're tired of looking for rafters, we do have our newest flashing, our double stud XL. This is made for sheathing only attachment directly into your plywood or decking. Here we have 2 of our electrical flashings made for your electrical wiring or even plumbing to be ran through the roof in a couple of different sizes. To learn more about our flashings or even purchase some of these flashings online, please visit our website at zillarack.com. Thank you.